Xfinity Mobile and Verizon both offer mobile services, but cater to different needs. Xfinity Mobile is a mobile virtual network operator using Verizon's network, offering cost savings for Comcast customers. Verizon, on the other hand, owns its network and provides premium features. Coverage is nearly identical since Xfinity Mobile relies on Verizon, ensuring broad 4G LTE and expanding 5G access. However, during peak times, Xfinity Mobile users might experience slightly lower data prioritization compared to Verizon customers. Ultimately, choose Xfinity Mobile if you're a Comcast subscriber looking for value, and Verizon if you prioritize premium features and direct network access. Xfinity Mobile plans start at $15 a month for 5 gigabytes, with unlimited options available, often bundled with Xfinity Internet for discounts. Verizon's plans range from prepaid to postpaid, with varying data allowances and perks like Disney+. While both access Verizon's 5G network, average speeds are similar, 107 to 250 megabits per sec, though Verizon might edge out in latency in urban areas. Cost-wise, Xfinity Mobile is typically 20 to 30% cheaper, while Verizon's higher prices reflect exclusive features and potentially better customer support. Consider Xfinity Mobile for budget-friendly options and Verizon for premium features and potentially better performance during peak network usage.